Hey Jeff,
Yeah,
did you get that email about Giving Tuesday?
I did.
What is that? You know what Giving Tuesday is?
Giving Tuesday is a worldwide movement of generosity, encouraging people to give to their favorite charities.
Nice. So why is it important to give back or be generous?
Giving to Walsh helps support our students, staff, and faculty. Giving to the Walsh Way will make school more affordable and accessible. Giving to the Impact Fund allows us to do building and technology updates.
Awesome. So how can people give back or be generous with Walsh College?
There are several ways you can help give back. One way is to make a gift to the Impact Fund or to Walsh Way. Another is to like us on social media and share our posts with your network. Finally, you can volunteer your time.
Hey, also, I heard with the new Walsh College store that if you buy swag there, that part of the proceeds go to students. Is that true?
Better believe it. It's just another way you can give and show your school spirit. Check out the link below to get involved with Giving Tuesday.
Happy Giving Tuesday! Whoop whoop!
Perfect.
Cut that out.